In this guide, we're going over everything that you need to know about fishing here in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is a brand new fishing update and it completely changes how you farm now. Now, during the event, the map transforms and water pools replace the normal spawns, and every player is going to get a fishing rod automatically so that you could start right away. To obviously fish, you need to equip your fishing rod similar to how you'd just equip a bat. And just keep in mind, this isn't going to spawn in all the time. You do have to wait a little bit for this to happen, but essentially, as soon as the little ponds appear, that is when you're going to want to start fishing as much as possible. Essentially, go ahead and equip your rod, cast it in the water, wait for a catch, and when something bites, a short minigame appears. Quickly do it to reel it in, and once you catch that brain rot, it drops near you. Pick it up with you, bring it back to your base, and you can get all rarities through fishing, including rare and high tier ones like Cosmic, Secret, and so much more. It's pretty awesome. Another pretty big advantage is you're also going to get super slow tsunami waves, so you don't really have to worry about those. But that really is the entire process. This update also adds a bunch of new mutations, lucky box skins, and trading options. But that really is it. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.